హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం థర్డ్ క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ బ్లాజమ్స్ వర్క్బుక్లోని ఫస్ట్ 2 లెసన్స్కి రిలేటెడ్గా ఉన్న చెక్ పాయింట్ 1ని ఏ విధంగా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలో నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్, రీడ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ప్యాసేజ్. ద thieves heard the conversation and became very happy. They waited patiently for Tenali Rama and his wife to put the box into the well. Tenali Rama and his wife packed the box with stones. They lifted the heavy box with great difficulty and dropped it into the well. Choose the right answers. First one, Tenali Rama and his wife packed the box with stones. Option B. Second one, the thieves heard the conversation and became very happy. Option C. Third one, they dropped the box into the well. Option A. Fourth one, Tenali Rama and his wife lifted the heavy box with great difficulty. Option B. Second section, supply the missing letters to make them meaningful words. Opportunity, OPPO, RTUNITY. Suddenly, SUDDENLY. Fainted, FAINTED. Immediately, IMMEDIATELY. Friends, FRIENDS. Third section, look at the picture and fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. First one, the girl is holding a bouquet in her hand. Second one, the boy is eating a biscuit. Third one, it is a beautiful parrot. Fourth one, we like chocolates very much. Fifth one, this is my dog. Fourth section, read the given sentences, keep full stop wherever necessary and rewrite them. Raju is a cook. He has a small hotel. Everybody liked food in his hotel. One day he got a big order to cook dinner for a dinner party.